Greetings. Chicago State University will be replacing BlackBoard Collaborate with our new open source synchronous conferencing tool called Big Blue Button in July of 2015. The purpose of this video is to provide a quick instructional tutorial to show faculty how to convert their previously recorded important BlackBoard Collaborate sessions, and after you convert them to an MP4 file, we're going to show you how to download those recordings and save them locally to your computer for future usage. This video is very important because after July 2015, BlackBoard Collaborate will no longer be available to Chicago State University. Okay? So that is June 30th, July 1st, we will no longer have access to BlackBoard Collaborate. We are transitioning over to Big Blue Button, and the Collaborate sessions that you recorded in previous semesters, and of course the current semester, will not be compatible with Big Blue Button. But there is a feature, and we're going to show you how to download and archive your Collaborate sessions into MP4 files. With those MP4 files, what you'll be able to do is upload that material to a personal YouTube channel, or you can create a link within your new courses in ongoing semesters, so you'll always be able to provide the recorded material to your students. So let's get started. This is going to be a course that I'm going to use as an example to show you the steps. So what you're going to do, you're going to log into Moodle, and you're going to go to the course that you need your important sessions. And I'm going to stress this, you don't necessarily have to convert and download every single BlackBoard Collaborate session. We're only concerned with the most important Collaborate sessions that you will need in future semesters to teach with. So we're going to scroll down here in the course, and we're going to click on BlackBoard Collaborate sessions. Or if you have your sessions within the modules of the week, you can just click on the sessions that are most important for you. So for the sake of this video, we're going to click on this session here. Once you enter into the BlackBoard Collaborate session, for those who are familiar, you're going to be greeted with a summary page. Under recordings here, you're going to have several columns with different, configuration options that you can do. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to focus on the convert section. So this is your session. This is one of your most important sessions. What you want to do first here is click on either for the audio or the MP4, which we are currently going to focus on to convert. So I've already clicked on convert video MP4. I'm going to also click on audio MP4. Now this process, according to BlackBoard Collaborate, can take anywhere up to 15 to 30 minutes to convert your files. Your files are stored on BlackBoard Collaborate system. So in order to download them, you must first convert them to MP3, or in this case, video MP4 files. We do recommend this process of converting might take up to 24 hours. So as a pre-warning, if you have several important sessions, I would suggest to go to each course and click convert and step away and come back to your computer maybe the next day, and then all of those sessions will be converted. Once your recordings have finished the conversion process, you're going to come back into your Collaborate session, and you're going to look under recordings, and what you'll see here under the play column, you're now going to have multiple icons. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on this icon. This icon indicates that this file has been converted to a MP4 file. An MP4 file is a video and audio file combined. So for those instructors who have recorded BlackBoard Collaborate sessions with PowerPoint presentations as a visual, and there's also an audio exchange with your participants, which are your students. This is the file that you want to download and archive on your local machine. So what you're going to do is click this button here next to the recording that you want to download. Okay, I'm going to give this a few seconds. When you click on that button, Blackboard Collaborate opens up in a screen, and it's going to give the name of the session, and you're going to have two options here. The first option is to play the recording. This is for verification purposes, just to make sure that everything has been converted over to MP4, and I would suggest to play your recordings back here to make sure this is the correct session. But what we're going to really focus on is the download option here. So this is the downloading and archiving step. So what you're going to do is click download, and what you're going to be presented with if you're using Firefox, or in this case Internet Explorer as your browser, you're going to be presented with a choose what to do screen. That's what I call it. So what we're going to do, we're going to save this file. So you're going to click on save, and what I've done is created a folder on my computer, local computer, and I've named the folder Blackboard Collaborate Sessions. So we're going to choose save, click OK, and it's going to default to your Blackboard Collaborate Sessions folder that I created. Now, in the sake of your computer, if you're using a Mac or a PC, you can save these recordings anywhere that you're able to find them quickly. I saved them on the desktop, and I created this folder on my desktop. So we're going to click on save right here, and that's all you need to do. After you click on save, you're going to go navigate to the section or the area on your computer where you save your Collaborate file, and you'll see that Blackboard has archived this file under a long name. What I would suggest here to do is to click on the file, and you want to go to Properties, and we're going to change the name of this file to the name of the session, so you're very familiar when you go back to your archive what session this is you want to use in the future. So what you're going to do, under Properties, I clicked on the name of the file, and I deleted the long name that Blackboard Collaborate supplied, but I left the extension mp4.mp4. So I'm simply going to just type in the name of the session, and the name of my session is test session for Blackboard, and click OK. And that changes the name for you there. So this completes our tutorial on how to first convert your recorded sessions, and I'll go back to the previous screen, how to convert your recorded sessions to audio or video MP4. We suggest video MP4. The next step after the conversion process is to go back into your Collaborate session, and you're going to download the recordings. The link that you're going to use is this icon here for the MP4 file. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to the session screen, and you're going to have two options: to play the file for verification, and then you're going to also have the option to download this file for future use. Okay, that concludes our tutorial. If you have any further questions or concerns about this process, please feel free to contact the CTRE department, the Center for Teaching and Research Excellence, at 773-995-2960, or you can reach us via email, elearning@csu.edu. That's all one word, elearning@csu.edu. Thank you.